Your home's doors do more than just separate rooms. They serve as crucial entry points, protect your property, and contribute to your home's overall aesthetic. Over time, however, Silver Spring homeowners may face a variety of door problems that, if left unresolved, can compromise both security and energy efficiency. Fortunately, professional door installation services can help address these issues effectively. In this article, we'll discuss common door problems in Silver Spring homes and how installation can provide the solution. Drafty doors and poor insulation. One of the most common issues faced by homeowners in Silver Spring is drafty doors. The region experiences a mix of hot summers and cold winters, and a door that allows air to pass through can make your home uncomfortable and lead to higher energy bills. If your door is old or the weather stripping is worn out, it's likely that cold air is entering during winter and cool air is escaping during summer. This can place additional strain on your heating and cooling systems, making them work harder than necessary. How installation can help. Professional door installation allows for a seamless fit with better weatherproofing and insulation. High-quality doors, equipped with modern seals and insulation materials, can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency, keeping your home more comfortable year-round. Sticky or sticking doors. Over time, wooden doors can expand or warp due to changes in humidity, a common concern in areas with seasonal weather changes like Silver Spring. This can cause doors to stick, making them difficult to open or close. A sticky door can be frustrating and potentially a safety hazard, especially in an emergency situation where a quick exit is necessary. How installation can help. New doors are designed to withstand environmental changes without warping. If your door is sticking due to shifting, a new, custom-fit door can be installed to ensure smooth operation. Additionally, newer materials such as fiberglass and steel are less likely to warp, providing a long-lasting, functional solution. Damaged or worn-out door hardware. Hardware issues such as broken locks, hinges, or handles are also common problems in Silver Spring homes. Whether due to age, wear, or the occasional accident, worn-out hardware can compromise the security of your home. A malfunctioning lock or a loose hinge can be both inconvenient and risky, leaving your home vulnerable to intruders. How installation can help. When you invest in a professional door installation service, you not only get a new door but also receive upgraded hardware. Experts can install high-quality locks, handles, and hinges, ensuring your door operates smoothly and securely. A new door installation can also be an opportunity to upgrade to smart locks or other advanced security features that offer convenience and peace of mind. Aesthetic appeal and curb appeal issues. As Silver Spring is home to a wide variety of architectural styles, your door's appearance can significantly impact the curb appeal of your property. A worn or outdated door can detract from the beauty of your home and diminish its overall value. Cracked or chipped paint, faded colors, or outdated designs can give your home a less than inviting look. How installation can help. Installing a new door is an excellent opportunity to enhance your home's aesthetic. With a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes available, you can choose a door that complements your home's design and increases its curb appeal. Whether you prefer a classic wooden door, a modern steel option, or a stylish glass panel door, New Installation allows for a customized look that aligns with your taste and enhances your home's exterior. Security concerns. Old or damaged doors can pose security risks, making it easier for burglars to break in. A door that's cracked, weakened, or improperly fitted can be an easy target for intruders looking to gain access to your home. How installation can help. A professional door installation ensures that your entry points are not only aesthetically pleasing but also secure. New doors, especially those made from steel or solid core materials, provide enhanced protection against break-ins. Installing a security door with reinforced hardware and smart security options can add an extra layer of protection for your home. Conclusion. Whether you're dealing with drafts, sticky doors, or security concerns, professional door installation services in Silver Spring can help address common problems and provide long-term solutions. Investing in a new door can improve your home's insulation, security, and curb appeal, making your living space more comfortable and functional. If you're experiencing any of these issues, don't wait. Contact a local door installation expert to get the job done right.